Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Cijferblok. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, September the 30th, 2022, last day of the month, and I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. And the last puzzle for today will be a Tectonic with 4 stars. Is this really 4 stars? I do not know, but this will be number 5259. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. 15. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one 15. Alright, but for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here single box, there single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Single box, always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here in this puzzle? No. Oh, here, a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then? Do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then? I see here 1 quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, 2 and the 4s are already filled in, so the numbers 1 and 3 are left. Let me mark those 1 and 3. Do we have more quadra boxes? No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here, so it can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. And it's connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1. All right. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. T-shapes. T-shape. Do we have more T-shape? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Here, another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. No L shapes anymore. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. All right. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. Wait, let me draw this here. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Okay. Here another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround 1. Can it be a 1? Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. Those are 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area, should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. Then this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be here. These are 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. And that box can also not be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 4, can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4, should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Then these are 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be there. All right. Then let me see. Now we have a 1 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These are 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 5. But we already have a 3 there, so it can be 3 and more. This box should be a 5. And it's connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And now. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. These 2 boxes in this area should be the 4 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Well. Yeah. Let me think. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2 and more. We have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. This box can be a 2. But also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Interesting. Let me see. This box can be a 2, and that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. And this box is connected with that box, so we also 4 and 5. Okay. So 2 numbers left. One of the missing number in this area should be a 3. Here 3, there 3. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. Let me think. Yeah. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that we have a double 4 here. That means that this box can be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think, well, don't think too long. We have a 5 now. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be 1. Can be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. This box can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay, that means that this box can be also a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. This box is connected with that box, so we also 2 and 3. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Well. Let me think. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, think. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2. We have a double 2 there, can be 3. We have a double 3 there, and can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. Definitely a 5 here. Okay, so these 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Then let me think. I think this box should be a 3 because it need to be triggered those two boxes, 2 or a 3. Yeah, so I think this box, and it cannot be a 2 here. All right, well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be a 1. We have a 1 in the same area. Can be 2. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 2. Now this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. 1 box left in this area also for the number 3. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing here. Almost made a mistake. This is a 4, people. Guys. Okay, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. No, tomorrow. Not later. This was the last puzzle of today. Tomorrow on Saturday, it's weekend. Until then, bye-bye for now.